Befriending Conditionals. Sailing smoothly in the sea of ifs. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the world of conditionals. More specifically, we'll focus on how to avoid some common mistakes that learners often make. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using English conditionals. Before we dive into the common mistakes, let's quickly recap the 4 types of conditionals. Zero conditional. We use zero conditional for facts or things that are always true. First conditional. We use the first conditional for real and possible situations in the future. Second conditional. We use the second conditional for unreal situations or dreams. These are hypothetical scenarios, not fact. Third conditional. We use the third conditional for unreal situations in the past. This conditional describes a situation that didn't happen, and the result of this non-existing situation. Now let's look at the most common mistakes people make while using conditionals. 1. Confusing if with when. Remember, if implies a condition, but when implies certainty. 2. Mixing conditional types. Different conditionals have different uses. Mixing them up can lead to unclear or incorrect sentences. 3. Wrong verb forms. Make sure to use the right tense and verb form for each type of conditional. Now that we've identified these mistakes, let's discuss how to avoid them. 1. Use if for uncertainty and when for certainty. Only use when if the action is certain to happen. 2. Learn and practice each conditional separately. Understand the nuances of each type of conditional. Practice them one by one before combining them. 3. Always double-check your verb tenses. The verb tense can change the meaning of your sentence. Make sure you're using the correct form. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Here's a quick tip. Practice makes perfect. Practice writing sentences using each type of conditional, focusing on the areas we identified as common pitfalls. Write about different scenarios, which will allow you to get comfortable with different uses of conditionals. That's it for today, my fellow English learners. Remember, it's perfectly okay to make mistakes while learning. The important thing is to keep practicing and to learn from those mistakes. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.